Hello friends, welcome to Parisram Vidyalay Dundge. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Name of the topic is kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences means in Marathi वाक्याचे प्रकार. What is the definition of sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete meaning. It includes subject, verb and other words. मराठीमध्ये आपण वाक्याची व्याख्या पाहू. अर्थपूर्ण शब्दांच्या समूहाला किंवा ज्या शब्दांच्या समूहाला पूर्ण अर्थ असतो त्यास वाक्य असे म्हणतात, ज्यामध्ये कर्ता, क्रियापद व इतर शब्दांचा समावेश असतो. आता या वाक्याचे प्रकार आपण पाहूया. वाक्याचे 4 प्रकार पडतात. There are 4 types of sentences. First is assertive sentences. In Marathi, विधानार्थी वाक्य. Second, imperative sentences. आज्ञार्थी वाक्य. Third, interrogative sentences. प्रश्नार्थी वाक्य. Fourth, exclamatory sentences. उद्गारवाचक वाक्य. आपण आता या काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेन्सेस किंवा टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेन्सेस ते सविस्तर माहिती पाहू. फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेन्सेस इज assertive sentences. विधानार्थी वाक्य. An assertive sentence is a sentence which makes a simple statement. ज्या वाक्यात सामान्य विधान केलेले असते किंवा एखादी गोष्ट सांगितलेली असते त्या वाक्यास विधानार्थी वाक्य असे म्हणतात. अँड देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ धिस assertive sentences. विधानार्थी वाक्याचे होकारार्थी व नकारार्थी असे 2 प्रकार पडतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ही इज प्लेइंग अ फुटबॉल. राहुल डोंट लाइक केक. In these 2 sentences, he is playing a football is an affirmative sentence and Rahul don't like cake is a negative sentence. Second type of sentences is आज्ञार्थी वाक्य, ज्याला आपण imperative sentence असं म्हणतो. A sentence that express a command, an advice, a request or wish is called an imperative sentences. ज्या वाक्यामध्ये आज्ञा, सल्ला, विनंती किंवा शुभेच्छा इत्यादी भावना व्यक्त केलेल्या असतात त्यास आज्ञार्थी वाक्य असे म्हणतात. आज्ञार्थी वाक्ये होकारार्थी किंवा नकारार्थी अशा दोन्ही रूपामध्ये असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, शट द डोअर. Second, don't pluck the flower. Third, please give me your pen. Fourth, forgive me, sir. In these 4 sentences, shut the door. In this sentence is a affirmative sentence and don't pluck the flower is a negative sentence. And in the third sentence, the word please requesting, please give me your pen, so it is also a affirmative sentence. The third type of these types of sentences is interrogative sentence, प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य. What is the definition of interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks a question. जे वाक्य प्रश्न विचारते त्यास प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य असे म्हणतात. बघा पुन्हा एकदा ऐका. जे वाक्य प्रश्न विचारते त्यास प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य असे म्हणतात. There are 2 kinds of interrogative sentences. First one is WH question and second one is verbal question or yes no type question. What is WH question? WH शब्दांनी किंवा प्रश्नार्थक सर्वनामांनी सुरू होणाऱ्या प्रश्नाला WH क्वेश्चन असे म्हणतात. WH शब्दांनी किंवा प्रश्नार्थक सर्वनामांनी सुरू होणाऱ्या प्रश्नाला WH क्वेश्चन असे म्हणतात. And this WH question starts with WH words like who, whom, whose, what, when, why, how, etc. And this WH question ends with question mark. For example, what is your name? Second, who are you? And the second type of this interrogative sentences is verbal question or yes no type question. Verbal question starts with a verb and ends with question mark. And the verbal question's answer is given only in the form of yes or no. बघा, व्हर्बल क्वेश्चनची सुरुवात नेहमी क्रियापदानी होते आणि अशा प्रश्नांची उत्तरे यस किंवा नोने दिली जातात. जसं WH क्वेश्चनमध्ये प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे दिली जातात, तशा पद्धतीनं या ठिकाणी व्हर्बल क्वेश्चनमध्ये सविस्तर उत्तराची अपेक्षा नसते, फक्त यस किंवा नोनेच दिली जातात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आर यू अ सिंगर? सेकंड, हॅव यू अ पेन? या प्रश्नांची उत्तरे आपण यस किंवा नोनेच देऊ शकतो किंवा देता येतात. And the fourth type of the sentence is exclamatory sentences, ज्याला आपण उद्गारवाचक वाक्य किंवा उद्गारार्थी वाक्य असे म्हणतो. What is the definition of this exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence is a sentence which expresses sudden strong feelings. ज्या वाक्यात आनंद, खेद, दुःख, आश्चर्य, भीती, राग इत्यादी भावना दर्शवलेली असते, त्या वाक्यांना आपण उद्गारार्थी वाक्य असे म्हणतो. उदाहरणादाखल, हाऊ फास्ट ही ड्राइव्स अ कार? What a beautiful rose it is! Hurrah, we won the match! Alas, he is dead. In these four sentences, there is a strong feeling, and the exclamatory sentence especially starts with how or what and ends with a exclamation mark. Sometimes there are some exclamation words are used like hurrah, alas, bravo, oh God. In this type of words are used in the sentences or in the beginning of the sentences. And now look the chart. The four types are given there. In the first column, sentences types are given there. And what is contains mainly in the four types? In the first type of the sentence, assertive sentence contains mainly the subject and ends with full stop. And in the second type of the sentence, imperative sentences contains mainly verb, because the imperative sentence starts with a verb and ends with full stop. Main verb is used in the imperative sentence at the beginning of the sentence. And in the third type of interrogative sentences, it contains mainly WH word or supportive verb, which we called it auxiliary verb. For example, WH word or WH pronouns are used at the beginning of the sentence, and also in yes no type question there is a verb and ends with question mark. And in the exclamatory sentence, the interjection is used, contains mainly, and ends with exclamation mark. So students, today we learned the kinds of sentences and their examples. Thank you.